Good morning, Bio 11A. This is Monday morning, and we're on week 3. That's what we're starting now, Module 3, week 3. I had a few comments about my grading. I haven't entirely finished, but I've been looking at the bee study, and many of you did great. You got that. Some of you were confused, and I wanted to make sure that I went over that briefly, and that is that in that study, it was about fungicides. So fungicides are used in the fields so that they won't affect the plants, harm the plants, and these fungi can actually rot a plant. So fungicides are used and they affect the colonies. Now, how they affect the colonies is that they kill fungi. So by killing the fungi, they kill the fungus that's in the bee larval food. So the larva is the developing bee, and they're in the little cocoon there, and they're eating their food that was put there by the older bees. Now that needs to have fungus in it. If it doesn't have fungus in it, these bees don't do well. So what the fungicide is doing is messing with the food of those developing bees, and then the colony starts to fail. So one of the questions was, what if you sprayed it on an adult? Well, it doesn't do much on an adult. It doesn't hurt the adult. What it hurts are the bee food, essentially, the infant food. And if you mess with that, then the colonies are going to start to decline. So that was the confusion there for some of you, but otherwise great. So you finished chemistry this week. That's good. And you watched Chasing Ice, which is sort of frightening, isn't it? Especially when we've had our storms here where the water is right inside the houses. And yeah, a dramatic film, and certainly problems that we have today and that we hope are going to be solved by some of the solutions that we're coming up with. This week we're going to do cells, and I think it's pretty straightforward, and I will continue on looking at your work. The Chasing Ice quizzes were pretty good, so we're doing well, you guys. Good. Follow along and let me know if there's any problems, and on we go. Take care. Bye.